What's up, you guys? I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, and ain't gonna lie, it feels a little bit weird picking the camera back up, but at the same time, I have been recording, so it's not too off for me. But like putting the camera on my face and stuff. But anywho, how y'all guys been? Leave it down in the comment below, and I will reply back. And yeah, Z is yeah. And yeah, I mean, everything happens. I mean, at least I'm breathing, I'm still walking, you know. I can't complain. Things happen for a reason, and I mean, you can't control that, so it's just part of life. Right now, I will be picking up the new car. And what's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko. It's been 2 days later. We didn't get the new car just yet. We had to deal with some paperwork and a little bit of waiting because of I think my hold on, you guys, I'm trying to get this stuff ready. My coordinator where I work at sent me the wrong information, basically about how much I get paid and all this stuff and blah. But we got all that figured out now, so today should be the day we get the car. It's been 2 days. Yesterday I was gonna go back and get it, but coming to find out, the guy that finances was having family problems, so he told me to come back and try basically today. All right, you guys, so there she is. Last, I guess you could say, vlog with her. Yeah, he got a hell of a deal. I told him about stupid cheap prices, which I know I'm gonna regret, because I put so much time and effort in this car, and money too. And yeah. Yep. So this is a piece of the glass that broke off, so I gave him another headlight for that side specifically. And yeah, I have 2 sets of these. I got another set, 2 at Moe's I bought basically from another Z owner for the Silver Z. So I'm not totally out of the Z gang, you guys. I'm still, like I said, I got the Silver Z and the Red Z, but I know the main Z of the channel was the Black Z because it came so far and I had it for like 5 years. And yeah, so yeah. But as of right now, just chilling out, getting everything together, make sure I got everything out the car, and yeah, I get back with y'all. Well, you guys, that shit is so empty here, I ain't gonna lie. So empty. Wow. I really just sold that Z. Can't believe that, man. But on to something new. On to something better. So that being said, you guys, maybe I'll pick y'all back up later on if everything goes well. And yeah, now I'll talk to y'all. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko. It's the following day because it was nighttime, so I was doing all the paperwork and all this nonsense, blah, and it went through. So we did end up getting it last night, so I was just enjoying it last night, you know, getting the feel for the car and stuff. And right now, So when the people want to see the car, and they, you know, just been hitting me up back to back. So right now I'm finna get ready to hit the Moles. And but anyways, you guys, I will show y'all the car once I get to the house, and hopefully y'all enjoy this new car for the channel. And from here on out, it's only up with the channel now.
Wake up. Wake y'all asses up. And not only wake up, but wake up with the mindset of being better than you were last week. If you wake up this week and you're not trying to be better than you were last week, then go back to fucking bed. Lay your ass back down. People always ask me what I hate. I don't hate much. But there's one thing that I do hate. The one thing that I do hate is a talker. I'm about to do this. Hey, man, you know what I'm going to do? Hey, wait till I do. Stop talking. Just do it. Actions speak louder than words.
I'm sorry, sir, request to get on it. It is. ISS Houston, stand by. We may have a problem here.
Boom. There we go, you guys. That's the new baby. That's the new baby. Picked it up for a real good deal. Can't complain about that. And yeah, you see Kobe see. You always doing that pose. That's gonna be a famous pose from now on. Huh? Oh, you gonna take it over?
That way.
You gonna take over?
Yeah, we gonna take over now, bro.
I'm talking about the camera. I ain't talking about. What you talking about? Crazy. But yeah, that's how she's looking. You know, I gotta do the usual side skirts. Add the lip on the wing. And yeah. So yeah. Where we at now? That's where we at now. And it's an auto. I know y'all gonna nag on me about that, but shoot, I can't complain. Had to upgrade. This is well overdue. Well overdue. But yeah. Just can't wait to do some things to this car. But I'll give it a shot later. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko, and today we're headed to Cars and Coffee in Mississippi. So right now we're headed to the raceway to meet up with Lance and head right on out there. So I'm not gonna like vlog this meet because just it's just me just spending some quality time, you know, with my people basically. And yeah, so with that being said, I'm not gonna sit here and like talk your heads off, but just like, all right, you guys. So we just pulled up into the gas station and waiting on Lance. My bad, you guys. I got y'all on the thing, but I just want to talk to y'all briefly, like a couple to like really to some of my supporters that are young. I know I haven't been on here very much on this channel, and I really like apologize for that. And I always hop back on here and be like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. But now I'm not gonna even say that. I'm just gonna, hey, boom, if I'm ready to vlog, I'm ready to vlog. And for the most part, the reason why I don't really vlog anymore, you guys, is like I had to back away for a little minute from the world. Basically, like, not saying like being weird. It's just I had to get myself together. Like, figured like what I really want to do, and basically like focus on work and work. And that's all I've been doing, working. And then just going out and join friends, like not even friends, family. So yeah, like, so back to what I was saying, you guys. It is a big wait, before I get off the topic, I'm gonna let y'all know. We was just up there at the gas station, and basically we had the car show there. Like a lot of cars were there. Vipers, Mustangs, Chargers, Challengers, Z's, S14. It was a lot of people there. BRZ. Yeah, it's a lot. And right now, me and Kobe is in the back, you know, taking it easy because it's already damp and everything. And I told him just to be careful. I'm like, I think this is actual first big group. You know, me, Jose, and everybody else is used to this. So I'm you know, kind of like letting them know, like, hey, just chill out in the back. You know, you're not too familiar, you know, with how things go when you get with big groups like this, because anything can happen at any point. So right now we're like way behind. I don't know how far we're behind, but I'd rather for, you know, us to make it up there safe than just up there like, you know. But anywho, back to my subject. So like I was saying, you guys, I'm not saying like I'm not trying to come back to this channel. I am. I'm not saying like I always do, oh, I'm gonna do this and that. No, you guys, if I'm actually gonna vlog for now, I'm not gonna even say like, you know, a specific time, this and that. I'm just gonna vlog. Cause at this point, I gotta make something like happen on this channel for real, and like I just been slacking. I ain't gonna lie, I've been slacking. But there's a reason why I've been slacking. You know, I just, like I said, been doing me. You know, grinding. That's all. The grind don't stop after this. Like, really don't. And I'm not saying like I'm not gonna be appearing on here, which I am gonna be appearing, because I know some people want to see this car and what I got plans for it in the future, or, you know, all this. So, anywho, what I really want to talk about, you guys, is when you do things like this, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen the next day. It's not going to happen. It ain't going to probably happen for a year. So, don't think just because I got this, I just and went about it. No, I did. Not gonna lie, I'm not saying you can't just do it. I went and did it, but I know what the responsibilities was behind it, you know. And there's different levels to like things like this. Like, yeah, it could be just a Stingray, but still, a Stingray is a vet, and it's light, and it still will go. So no matter what you say or do, that car will take you wherever it wants to take you. And any vet, you got, it's just a V8. You gotta be careful with it. And like I ain't gonna lie, I enjoy this thing. I really do. It's a fun car. And you guys, I really like hope it brings like more supporters to this channel. And whenever you see like your friends or anybody, family doing good, just, hey, you know, tell them like, hey, I'm proud of you. You know, little words like that can keep them going. Other than that, you guys, like, I hate to be like that person. Don't be that person, be around like being negative and all this stuff, this and that. Man, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Like, bro, okay, you right, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, but don't beat yourself up. One thing I always tell my family, don't beat yourself up, because guess what, in the end, you're gonna get that. Your mindset stuck on it, you're gonna get there. No matter how old you are, how long it takes, you're gonna get there. And when you get there, just don't stop. Don't ever stop. Like, don't ever stop. Because I promise you, if you stop, that's it. You're not. That's basically the end of your life. So you got to do it while you're young. It don't matter how young you are. Just grind, and stay out the way, you guys. That's all I got to say. Stay out the way and keep positive all the time. Long story short, what I really want to talk to you about is, don't ever like say you can't do this, you can't do that, this, blah, blah, blah. And I know I'm gonna sound corny, but like Nike, just do it. And what I mean by that is, you can just do it, but when you do it, make sure you know how to back yourself up. Like, you know, you gotta have a plan B. Like, most people want to say, oh, you gotta have a plan B, this and that, or you don't need to have a plan B. Well, at the same time, I see where they're coming from, but sometimes you do, because things not always gonna flow like that. Not for everyone. And I ain't gonna lie, for those that do hit it on the first hit, they got lucky. They got lucky. Like, you know, to be successful like that. So, anywho, for those like my supporters and this and that, this is not overnight. This is hard work, you know, dedication, grinding. Like, really. When my Z tore up, you think I was gonna just, you really thought I was just gonna give up like that? Like, when they tore up that night, I was pissed. I was pissed. And I was like, you know what? I can't get upset because I got 2 more Z's, and on top of that, hey, it's probably saying it's time to let this car go. You know, I done had it for 5 years. It done been through so many changes, so many like upgrades, and it's time for you to at least have something new that you don't have to work on. And hey, that's what I did. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna give you something that I want, and that's what I did. And yeah, like, for those of you that, you know, like, when you get things like this, you lose people. Like, not saying like that's good and all, but it's gonna happen, because you know why? That's gonna make them feel like, dang, I'm not doing much. He's doing this and blah blah. And what those people gotta like see is, hey man, I've been in this industry like for a little minute, and moving forward with things, because that's, you know, certain things will hold you back in life if you don't move forward. So that's what you gotta learn, and that's what you still, like, you always have that mindset, like, you just gotta move forward. It is what it is, you know. I still have to deal with that every day. And yeah, it's hard for some people, but trust me, you're gonna get there. You're gonna get there, and it's worth it, because at the end of the day, you gotta worry about yourself, not others. And now, sometimes you can't even worry about what your family say, because at the end of the day, some of them could be hating. So, yeah. So that's really all I want to talk to y'all guys about. Right now, I'm gonna focus on this road, enjoy this cruise, and yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully y'all will stick with me on this channel, and I have more supporters, like a lot more supporters. But thanks for tuning in, and as always, you guys, hit that thumbs up button and comment up under the comments, and subscribe for your boy. And I'm out.